Hey guys, Future Jimmy here. Just want to give you a heads up. This video, the sound's gonna suck. My mic decided to quit on me, and obviously I can't reshoot it because we did do an opening, so you can see it being opened and being applied. So I can't really reshoot that, but I can. What I'll try to do in editing is try to up the audio gain and denoise it and stuff like that, so you can hear it the best you can. If there's a spot I think that's terrible, I'll voice over that spot or something. But that's what we're dealing with. Some crappy mic. I don't know. I tested it before the video, but it didn't work. It's neither here nor there, but enjoy the video.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a follow-up on that Sealskin Supreme truck cover that they have that we purchased in the last video. If you guys haven't seen it, you can check the link down below. But for those of you who did see it, we had an issue where it didn't fit our truck width-wise or length-wise. It's like a foot short at least. We still have our old cover on here. As you can see, this is how it's supposed to hang. So it wraps under the truck a little bit. That way the wind can't catch it and stuff, and it'll stay on. And it also covers my bumper, so it kind of hooks the bumper. So this cover works great, but we thought we'd try the other one because it had such height behind it as far as it's thicker, which it does feel thicker. We'll give it that. It does feel like a thicker cover. I'm not sure if it'll last any longer than this, but that's what we were here to find out, because we've had these covers on here pretty much ever since we've had this truck. So that's been quite a while. And these are the carcovers.com. They're top of the line ultimate cover that they have. It says lifetime warranty, but it is prorated. So this last one we paid $100 for it as the prorated rate. So, and it's been a couple years. So I'm sure with their prorated rate, if we went to exchange this one, it's going to cost full price. So we thought that this would be the perfect time to try out the Sealskin. The problem we had, as you've seen in the video, hopefully, is it did not fit anywhere on width or length. So what we had to do, we went on their live chat online. We contacted them, talked to an actual person, which was nice to have, and told them the issue we had, that it didn't fit. We said it's a foot short on front, back, and left and right, both. And then we sent it. They requested pictures. We sent them pictures. They wanted the SKU number off the tag. We sent them the SKU number off the tag, and a couple other things we had to give them. And then they agreed to send us a replacement cover or an exchange. So we sent back the other one. They sent us a shipping label and everything. We put on here, sent that one back, and we have the new one came. We were on vacation, but it came a few days ago. Right here, we're going to pull this one out, and hopefully this one will fit better. If not, when I did talk to him on the phone, I asked him, I go, if this one doesn't fit either, can I just do a return? Obviously, it's not going to work for our application. He goes, yes, obviously you can. So that's what we're hoping for today. We're hoping to fit like this or close to this. This might have stretched a little, but I know it fit like this when it was new because this is my third one. So if this one don't work, I'm going to go back to this one because there's none better than these two technically on the market. So that being said, let me get over here. I'm going to get this truck uncovered, and then we'll put this one on. I'll be doing this one solo on by myself today, so I'll be putting it on by myself. So it'll be a little harder for the first time by yourself, but definitely doable. So let's go over here and get this going. There we go, and just like that, we have it uncovered. They cover and uncover easy. So now we're gonna get this one out of the package and get it put on here. All right, guys, there you have it. Uncovering it by yourself is pretty easy too. You can see I made it no problem, less than 30 seconds, probably, or about 30 seconds. So now we're gonna bust open this new one. As you can see, it is in the sealed container or the sealed bag they give you. You'll know when you get one of their covers, it's one of these bright bags that say Sealskin. This one, even though this one looks it's double taped at least. But we're going to pop this open, get this cover on here. Try to save the bag in case you got to send it back, because they don't give you nothing to send it back in. So this bag would be a nice thing to send it back in if you had to. I'm hoping this one fits. I really am. So I really would like to try it out. It'll make it easy. It should send you a return bag if you have to return it. But it comes in the same way. It has a nice protective bag for the cover. But since I use the cover all the time, this outside bag, I never put it in there because I'm using the cover most of the time. So the bag that came with my other one, I use for sleeping bags or tents or something. Works great. Let me get this set now so I don't blow away. So yeah, it's a nice bag. And just like with the other one, it'll come with all the straps and stuff, the tie downs, your instructions, all that good stuff that comes with them. If you want to know what comes with them, check out our other video where we show all that stuff. This one here, we're just going to follow up on that one, see if this one fits. Now we're just going to roll it out on here. Here's your straps they give you that come with it. They're like the buckle type. Like I mentioned, the other one, we use paracord with the cam locks, the plastic cam locks. We don't want the metal ones to hit the body or anything, but we might try these. They're pretty cool. What I like to do is spread this out on the ground so I know what direction it goes. So you guys don't need to see this part. So for you, it'll seem like nothing. I'm going to get the setup on there. You guys seen it in the last video. I'm just going to get it set up on there and then we'll see if it fits any better. All right, guys, we got her on there. As you can see, it still doesn't fit. It seems a little better lengthwise because I am covering the bumper somewhat right now. But as you can see on the side, it still doesn't fit. I'm going to grab the camera and walk you guys around. You'll see the other side's perfectly at the bottom of the door. This side's still 8 inches short at least. So it's not really fitting like it should. I'm going to put the straps on here, see if it'll tighten better, but it definitely doesn't have the fit the other one did. I don't know. I'm not sure if I'll keep this one, see if it stretches, or just send it back and go with the other brand I've been using because it fits a whole lot better. But there it is. If you did get one of these and you had a problem, just go on their live chat on their website. Like I said, you do speak to an actual person here in the U.S., and they'll hook you up. They'll ask for a bunch of information, so keep that handy and have that ready because they're going to ask for pictures. They're going to ask for the SKU number. It's on the tag at the end of the cover, and your receipt and stuff like that. So make sure you have that handy so you can just be a little faster for you instead of having to do email multiple times. But this is what the fit is. Let me grab the camera, walk you guys around so you guys can see the other side fits, but this side don't. Here we go. As you can see, here it fits a little better on the bumper. I mean, it's hooking the bumper somewhat, not like it should, but then here's the issue problem. You can see it doesn't even cover the truck. I mean, to me that would be a big issue because you need it covering. It's covering the bumper somewhat. My other one went down and went underneath a little bit more, so it stopped the wind from catching it, lifting it up. Then here you can see on this side, it's right at the bottom of the door. So you can see this side, would be perfect. This is how it should fit right here, but the other side's like 8 inches short. I'm not sure if it'll stretch. I'm thinking about trying it just to see. And then you can see in the back here, in the back it's hooking the bumper this time, so lengthwise it's a little better, but widthwise not so much. So I'm not sure. Let me know what you guys think down below. Should I put the straps on to see if it stretches that 8 inches or so? I mean, up near the front there, it's like 8 inches. It's just off that much. I don't know if it'll stretch that much, but in the meantime, you got that part exposed, which ain't the end of the world. But down here in Florida, the sun's brutal, so you kind of try to keep it covered up. I'll get you guys back in here. All right, I think what I'm going to try to do is up in here they got the spot for the straps. I think I'm going to try to stretch it a little bit. I'm not going to use their straps because I don't want to open the package in case I got to return it. So I'm going to use my paracord one I got in my other cover. hook it into here like I did my other cover and see if I can get it to cinch down. So give me a second. I'm going to try that, see if it'll pull it a little bit tighter. Then maybe that'll do it, and then it'll stretch over maybe a little bit of time. I'm not sure. Usually in the sun, stuff shrinks a little, so I'm not sure that's going to stretch. Give me a minute.
Well, there it is, guys. You can see I have the strap on to the truck. You can hear it. That is tight. It's on there, and it's not stretching it out. So these do not fit this truck. I'm not sure if they'll fit any other truck because I can only speak to this one. But it's just not a good fit. I don't know if they're testing these or what. So my recommendation would be to avoid this cover, at least on the Super Duties, because this is my second one and it fits almost exactly the same. If they vary by that much, there's no quality control there. They should be fitted and tested for the vehicle they're made to fit. And when you go on their website, you put in all the information of your vehicle so it can give you the right cover. And we did that. When I did the exchange, they also asked for what kind of vehicle, and I told them what kind of vehicle we had. So they made sure, yeah, we had the correct cover. And this is the exchange. So fortunately, I'm not going to want to keep it like that. So I'm going to have to contact them again through their live chat, get this returned, because it just doesn't fit. I really wish it did, because I'd love to give it a chance. I mean, the material on it feels awesome. It's got the nice backing on it. I mean, I'm not saying it won't fit your application, but at least on this is a 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty with the short box, 6.75 foot box crew cab. So this is the one I picked for it. It just does not fit. It doesn't cover the truck fully, which is a shame. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video helped you out if you're deciding if you should buy a cover for your truck and which one. I might avoid the sealskin cover for the F-250. There's too many variances. The second one that doesn't fit. I mean, the warranty is attractive on there. It's nice, but so the CarCovers.com also has a warranty. It might not be quite a lifetime warranty. Well, sealskin's not quite a lifetime warranty either. You get like one exchange if you read the fine print. So it's not lifetime. It's expected lifetime of the cover. So a couple years, it goes bad, they might give you a new one, and then after that, you're not covered. So this is what you get. So with that being said, guys, again, thanks for watching the video. Until next time, try something new. Just a side note for you guys too, the bag that it comes in, like your storage bag for the cover, it fits great when the cover is vacuum sealed, but it is a bear to get in that bag when it's unfolded for the first time. And you literally got to put your body weight down there to get it in there. So with that kind of a challenge, I don't think many people will put it in that bag. Like I said, I don't normally use the bag, but if you're deciding you want to, use the bag, just know this bag needs to be a little bit bigger to fit the cover. But just thought I'd point that out to you guys. Help you in your final decision. Do with it what you may.